everyone, this is Kibo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will make a reaction video to Jerome Evardome. So this is Jerome Evardome sings Make the World Go Away. Wow. I think this is the first time that I'll be listening to this song, and katulad nito, may bagong performance si Jerome Evardome kagabi ata ito for today's video, pero hindi naman kayo nag-message sa akin na kailangan kong gawa ng reaction video. Diba, ang sinisend nyo sa akin puro maiikli. Maiikli. Maiikli na hindi naman clear. Dapat ito, diba? So I won't take any longer. Let's start this reaction video. Let's check it out what Jerome Evardome here has to offer. So without further ado, let's start this. Okay, G.
Song naman,
Ano
guys.
kakantahin niya dito?
Contest song ulit tayo.
Ay, contest
Ni
song?
Elvis. Alam ko bihira nyo marinig mga country ni Elvis.
Country song?
Puro rock and roll tayo.
Diyos ko, country song pala.
Make the World Go Away, originally, a crooner song alam ko. As far as I know. Sounds like a crooner song. Make the world go away. Parang
Ay,
ganun lang
talaga?
siya. Pero kay Elvis, pinahirapan niya eh. Alright. Ready,
Sige
guys?
nga, Jerome. Show me what your mama gave ya. Go, magpakilala ka. Ay, ba't parang pambrongkang naman ito? Ay, pambrongkang. Bakit naman pambrongkang?
Make the world go away.
Wow.
Get it on my shoulders. Say the things we used to say.
She really caught my attention there. Ito talaga alam mo, dapat sumali to sa The Clash. I really don't know kung pwede pa siyang sumali sa The Clash siya. Kasi alam mo, actually, ang boses niya is hindi talaga siya pang contest. Pero there is something with his voice talaga na makakakot ng attention. Katulad ng how he started the song. Ito talaga yung pinaka-importante sa lahat actually. Pag kumanta ka or sasali ka or kung magpa-perform ka kahit hindi contest, you have to make sure talaga na unang buka pa lang ng bibig mo is makukot na talaga ng viewers and listeners ang performance mo or ang boses mo. Because, what do you call this? Kung hindi yan makukot, all throughout your performance, hindi na nila yan papanoorin. Pero dito, umpisa pa lang ng buka ng bibig niya, masasabi mo talaga na, ay, Jerome Evardome never disappoints. Parang ganon. Lalo na kung ilang beses mo na siya mapanood or mapakinggan. Pero kung first time mo kung first time mo talagang marinig siyang kumanta, dear, mapapaulala ka talaga for today. Mapapaulala. Sige, tuloy natin to. Ang ganda ng introduction niya. Wait lang.
I know.
Ulitin natin. Sorry, ang dami kong chika. Alam niyo naman ako pag gumawa ako ng reaction video.
Pero kay Elvis, pinahirapan niya eh. Alright. Ready, guys?
Ang cute niya pala magsalita, no? Charis! Diba? Pang-brongkang siya, ma'am. Yan ang sinasabi ko. Pang-brongkang. Ano yun? Yes! Ganda ng timbre, no? Ganda ng timbre. Yes! Yes, baby, the adjectives is giving. Grabe talaga yung vibrato niya. Wala akong masabi sa vibrato niya. Ang vibrato niya pa talaga is always tasty. Always tasteful, should I say. Delicious. Alam mo yung saboroso. You know what I mean? Go away. Ay, okay. He changes overload. Love that. Tani pa din to.
sorry if I Let me make it up to you day by day. Yes, baby. And if you will, please forgive me. And make the world make the way. Oh, make the
Oh, I love that. Yes. Literally ate and left no crumbs. Ang ganda ng kantang tulo. Parang alam mo yung pang-romansa siya. Tama ba? Diba? May romansa talaga. Ang boses ni Jerome, you know what? Ang boses niya talaga, may romansa talagang kasama. Ngayon ko lang na-realize. Actually, dati pa ngayon ko lang nasabi. Tapos yung texture ng boses niya, no? Yung tipong magaras, you know what I mean? Yes! I mean, ganun ba talaga dapat, ma'am? Yan ang sinasabi ko for today's video. Anyways, that is our for today's video from Jerome Everdomi sings Make the World Go Away live at RNJ Rock and Roll Party. He literally ate and left no crumbs, should I say. Wala talaga siyang pinapalampas. Bawat nota, tinatamaan niya talaga. The emotions, the way how he performed, the facial expression, all in one. Perfect. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!